Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. My name is Engineer Simon Uzoma, and this is Simtech Properties. What we do here is that we help those in diaspora, even those in Nigeria, to have a beautiful and a wonderful home. Okay, you can see this is the exactly building we did for a client in Europe. You can see this is one of our clients. He came back all the way from Europe to see what we've done for him. You can see him observing the house and seeing everything we did for him. Okay, this our client is so excited and happy. In fact, he met us through this YouTube here, and he called us and asked us to build house for him. He gave us exactly what you want. We gave him the drawing, we gave him everything, the building plan, and we started the building. That should be 2024, 24. Okay, you can see right now. He came back to exactly see what we've done for him. You can see me take this is a patio. This is a patio of the house. This is where I will be relaxing and also doing other things. Okay, from this patio, we also have the security house and the main building. This is the main building. You can see how beautiful and elegant this building is. Okay, like I said, our client is so excited, and he has been giving us all praises since he came back from Europe to observe what we did for him. Okay, you can see him going to the security house to see what we did here. Okay, you can see him. Okay, this is the security house of the building. From this security house, we have the toilet and bath. Then you have toilet and kitchen. Okay, toilet and bath and also kitchen for this security house. Okay, you can see how beautiful and neat our work is. Now, from this security house, this is structural window that we gave to him. You can see it's exactly what he said he want. We gave him the structural window. How beautiful and nice these windows are. Okay, from this from this particular place, we should be moving to the main building to see how the building looked like. Okay, you can see me going through the sit out. I'm walking through the sit out right now to check what to go through the waiting room. Okay, right now we are moving to the waiting room. You can see this is the waiting room of the building. When a visitor comes to the house, we wait for this waiting room. There's a toilet by the waiting room until the owner of the house asks him to come into the parlor or through the passage. Okay, from this waiting room, we move to the main parlor. Okay, like the client said he want the parlor to be big. You can see how big this parlor is. He said he wants something big. This is about 26 feet long and about 19 feet wide. Okay, you can see that this is very big and okay and spacious. Okay, right now from this parlor, we move to the dining. This is the dining of the house. This is exactly how the dining look like. Okay, you can see from this dining there's a staircase, a round staircase. The building actually has two staircases. It has one, the first one, which is the round one, which one we are seeing right now. Okay, the round one. Okay, you can see from this staircase, you can also exit from this. You can access outside from this staircase side. Okay, now from this particular place, we are moving to the kitchen of the house. This particular building has only one kitchen. Okay, just only one kitchen, which is the downstairs, and it has 5 bedroom, which is we have one down and we have 4 up. Okay, this is the kitchen of the house. You can see us going through. Okay, from the kitchen you can also see what is happening outside. We have a place where you can see what is happening outside. Okay, from this kitchen we also have the store for the kitchen. Okay, right now we moving to the one room downstairs. Okay, this is the one room downstairs. You can see me and him going to check how the room, the toilet and bed look like. Okay, exactly what he asked us to do, and we gave him what he actually want. Okay, this is the toilet and bath of the house. From the toilet and bath of the house, we see came outside. You can see him observing how the place look like, both the windows and other things, the way everything look like. Okay, let's move on. Okay, right now we're moving out of this room. We should be going to the yes, to the upstairs. So moving to the next which is the second staircase. Okay, right now you can see me walking through the staircase. You can see us walking through the staircase, going to the upstairs to see what is actually what we did here. Okay, right now we're moving. Okay, for those coming here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and loved ones. They will appreciate you for doing that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, from this place we move to the first room, which is the upstairs. This is the first room. You can see the way this room look like. Also, you can see also there's a balcony that you can stand and be seeing outside what is happening here through this room. This is the only room that has balcony. Other one did not have balcony because he said he just want only one for balcony. Okay, let's move on. Now let's access the toilet of the room. This is the toilet of the room. Okay, from this toilet, we should be going to the next room. Like I said, we have four bedroom up, then one room up, 4 room up, 1 room. Sorry, 4 room up, 1 room down. We have 4 room up and 1 room down. Okay, this is the second room. Okay, the building has two different sit outs. It has, from this room you can also see what is happening from this sit out to see what is happening outside. Okay, right now we're moving. Okay, we're moving to the next room. Now we've seen 2 room up, the remaining 2 other room. Okay, right now this is the third room. Okay, there's an hallway. From this hallway, there's a room by the left-hand side. This is the third room of the building. Okay, you can see him assessing the toilet and bath of the room and seeing what is happening even in the room. Okay, right now we moved outside. From this outside to hallway, this is the void of the house. This is where you can stay and watch what is happening. Okay, now the client requested that we should give him a space where he can sit down and see what is happening even in the parlor. You can see from this place right now, you can sit down and be seeing what is happening in the parlor. You can be observing and and seeing what is happening. Now, in this void, there will be a handrail around this void. There will be a handrail around this void. Right now, we move to the master of the room. This is the master of the bedroom. You can see this is the master of the bedroom. This is exactly what he said he wanted. Okay, this master bedroom, we actually made the toilet and bath to be bigger. Okay, because it will have jacuzzi, it will have wash hand basin and so many things, toilet seat, shower, and other features that the man said he wants in this toilet and bath. You can see that we actually make it bigger and make it more spacious. You can see me telling him how the features will look like, where the settings will be, and other things that will be in this particular toilet and bath. Okay, like I said, my name is Engineer Simon Uzoma. What I do here is I help those in diaspora, even those in Nigeria, to have a beautiful and a wonderful home. Do you want to build a house in Nigeria, anywhere in Nigeria, any state? We build all over the nation. Give us a call. Our number is on the screen right now. Tell us what you want, and we give you exactly what you want. For those coming here for the first time, click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. You can share this video to your friends and loved ones, and they will appreciate you for doing that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, you can see me still explaining and still telling him exactly all the features that will be in this toilet and bath. Okay, you can see the way I'm trying to explain to him, trying to make him to understand, trying to tell him where the different features will be, and he's so happy, and so in fact he's so happy with us for what we did for him. He has been calling his friends and loved ones and telling him about us, about what we did for him. Okay, let's move on. From this particular place, we move to the room. This is exactly the master bedroom of the house. Okay, from this master, we should be stepping outside to the hallway, even to the void, and from there we move to the main. This is the main sit out of the house. From this sit out, you can see from here, you can see what is happening outside. See the security house. You can see what is happening even on the street. You can see what is happening in the compound from this sit out. Okay, this is exactly the what he said he want, and we actually gave him what he actually want. Now from this place, you're moving outside the doorway to from the hallway. This is the void. From the void, we should be going downstairs to see other things. Okay, please kindly share this video to your friends and loved one. Then we appreciate you for doing that. I still remain Engineer Simon Uzoma, and what we do here is we help those in diaspora, we help those in Nigeria, we help those that actually want a befitting building to give them exactly what they want. Thank you for watching, and see you other time. Bye.